Hello, hello. Yes, good evening. Welcome back, everyone. Today, this class is for class 9. Okay, and we're going to start a new chapter from geometry. Okay, the name of the chapter is triangle, right? So, triangle, that means from geometry is the first chapter um, for the board icse and cbse. For both, this chapter is very much important. Okay, so let us start. Okay, see, first of all, definition of triangle. What is triangle? Okay, what is triangle? It is given here a plane figure bounded by three line segments is called a triangle, right? We everyone knows this. আমরা সবাই এই জিনিসটা জানি, the common definition of triangle, a plane figure bounded by three line segments. Okay, line segment means portion of a line bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. Okay. Good evening, Pritam. Line segments. These are all line segments. Okay. There is a plane figure. Plane figure means this board, say, bounded by this bounded region, closed region by three line segments, say A, B, C. These are the point of intersection of two lines. Okay, that means one point. A is a point, B is a point, and C is a point, right? So line segments AB, line segments BC, line segment SC, three line segment, and this region is called, this plane figure is called triangle, right? So in the triangle, you will get 3 points. These 3 points are called vertex. Plural number is vertices. So what are the vertices here? A, B, C are the vertices. These are the names of vertices. Okay, right? Now see, so what are the name of the line segments? AB, SC, and BC. These are the name of line segments, three line segments. Okay, and one more thing, three angles you will get. Three angles, of course, interior, inner portion, inner side. Okay, these are in interior part. So interior angles. So if you consider external, then it will be exterior angle. We're coming one by one. Interior and exterior. So three interior angles you will get. What are the names? Will be ACB by this symbol, angle symbol. ACB. It is the this angle, name of. C is writing in between A and B. CAB, angle CAB, this angle. Okay, angle CBA, CB is this angle, or angle C, angle A, angle B also you can write. Okay, so this is triangle. Okay, this is the definition of triangle. Next, see one more thing here. Remember, a triangle is a polygon with three sides. Polygon, there is the least number of polygon, lowest polygon of 3 vertices, the triangle. Okay, you'll remember this. Elements of triangles. What is this? Very important. Elements of triangles. Elements of triangles means 3 sides and 3 angles. That is, there are 6 elements of triangle. Very important. Okay, later on it will help you. You should know what are the elements. How many elements in a triangle? 6 elements, 3 sides, 3 sides and 3 angles. Okay, 3 sides and 3 angles. Total 6 elements. Total 6 elements for triangle. Okay, and interior and exterior angle. Okay, let's define interior and exterior angle. What are this? Interior angle and exterior angle. Consider this triangle. Okay, just I told these all are interior angles. If you extend this line, then here will be one more angle. Understood? Here will be one more angle. This angle is called exterior angle. If you extend these lines, you will get one exterior angle. If you extend these lines, you will get exterior angle. Understood? Okay. And here is one important theorem. This exterior angle, if you consider this exterior angle also, if you consider this exterior angle also, the value of this exterior angle will be equal to interior opposite, sum of interior two opposite angles, not this. Okay, I am drawing here a new one. Say this is the triangle A, B, C and extend up to D. Okay, this is the exterior angle and these are two interior opposite angles. Now we understood. The theorem is that if the value of this exterior angle whatever be coming, say z degree, okay, if it be x and if it be y, then z will be equal to x plus y. This is one theorem coming. See, theorem, exterior angle theorem in triangle, that is the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, we have to prove this theorem now. How will you prove this one? How will you prove this theorem? তোমরা কিভাবে সেটাকে প্রুফ করবে? Okay, how will you prove this one? So this equal to what? What will be this angle? If it be z, then what will be the value of this angle? 180 minus z. Understood? 180 minus z. I think clear? 180 minus z. What is the reason? The reason is straight angle. What is the value of complete angle? Complete, not half complete, that is straight angle, 180 degree. So if it is with z, then what will be the value of this angle? 180 minus z. This value, okay? 180 minus z. The sum of three angles is equal to what? Sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. That means 180 minus z plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree. This 180, 180 cancelled. This implies z equals to x plus y. See, proved. Z is equal to x plus y. Right? So, it's a very important theorem. Why it will help you? We do not know. God knows. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. Two angles. Okay. Right. There is another theorem. What is that? The sum of three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Can you prove? The sum of three interior angles is equal to 180 degree. How will you prove this one? For any triangle. For any triangle. And I will try to show you this theorem by one small animation. Okay. First you see. That means for any triangle, say A, B, C. So this angle is X, this angle is Y, and this angle is Z. Okay. For any triangle, uh, that means you have to prove X plus Y plus Z is equal to 180 degree. You have to prove this one, is not it? How will you prove? Do one thing, one small construction. That means parallel to the line BC, draw a line through A. Okay, draw a line through A. Parallel to BC. That means the line BC, say it is PQ. The line PQ, PAQ parallel to BC. PQ parallel to BC. Okay. So, since these two lines are parallel, and of course this is what? Transversal. And this angle Z will be equal to Z. This angle will be Y. What? Corresponding angles are equal. Right? Corresponding angles are equal. Now, what is this angle? Straight angle. That is Y plus X plus Z is equal to what? 180. Understood? Very simple one. Okay, it's tricky. Now, through an animation, I'm showing you the sum of three interior angles of any triangle is 180 degree. Okay. Say, let me few seconds. And this is one thing. Oh, just I proved. See, this one. Just I have proved this one. This also through an animation. I want to show you. That means these are the two interior angles, interior opposite angles, and this is the exterior for any triangle. See, if I move, see, sum of these two angles equal to this angle. Okay, for any triangle. Understood? I think clear? Okay. And the next one, sum of three angles, interior angles, will be what? -180 degree. I'm showing that one. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. It is called angle sum property. It's also called angle sum property. Now see, see, A, B, C is a triangle. These are the values of three interior angles. See, changing the shape. Of course, the shape value of the angles and the sum of three angles in any stage will be equal to 180 degree. You can see by adding. Okay. See, always will remain 180 degree. Right? Now, what's the next one? Types of triangles. There are 6 types of triangles. Regarding side 3 types and regarding angle 3 types. Okay, so step by step on the basis of sides. On the basis of sides, equilateral triangle, details are given here, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Okay, on the basis of sides. If 3 sides are equal in length, that is ABC, 3 sides are equal in length. It's called equilateral triangle. Yes, Rikumar, good evening. Okay, hello. I am making one video for you on mensuration. Okay, within few days, I will take a class on mensuration. I am making that one. That is mainly the slides. Okay, don't worry. Okay, remain with me, Sri Kumar. It is equilateral triangle. That means the length of 3 sides are equal. That is AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So what are the properties? 3 angles also will be equal. What are the values? 60 degree. These are the properties of equilateral triangle. 60 degree. And if you draw perpendiculars, then these all will be in midpoint. DEF. Of course, DEF will be the midpoints of the 3 sides. Right? These are the equilateral triangle. Next is isosceles triangle. Isosceles means 2 sides are equal. This side, say ABC. Okay, 2 sides are equal. If 2 sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. And the property is the base 2 angles are equal. So if it is by x degree, this also will be x degree. Right? And if you draw a perpendicular from the top vertex, say D point, this side will be equal to this side, that is BD will be equal to DC. Draw a perpendicular. Right? These are isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. What is scalene triangle? Scalene triangle means no sides will be equal to each other. So it is ABC. AB not equal to BC not equal to SA. Understood? So three angles also will not be equal. So these are called scaling triangle, right? So properties are given uh, here on the slides. You will see in details. You will read by pausing the video. You will read the details. All properties are given here. These are the main properties. Next one, on the basis of angles. There are more three triangles on the basis of angles. What are they? Yes, for Sri Kumar, for isosceles triangles, two sides are equal. This is called isosceles. And for equilateral, three sides are equal. Right? Now, regarding angle. Regarding angle, one is acute angle triangle. Which one is called acute? Acute angle means what? The value of the angle greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. It's called acute angle, right? Now, if in a triangle, if all angles are acute, this angle acute, this angle acute, this angle are acute, and this triangle is called acute angle triangle, right? If in a triangle, one angle is more than 90 and less than 180, that means obtuse, here this angle, then this triangle is called obtuse angle triangle, right? If one angle be right angle, see this, in a triangle, one angle is right angle in a triangle, then that triangle is called right angled triangle. Understood? Right angle. So, can you tell me, in one triangle, two angle will be 90 degree. Is it possible? Sikumar, in a triangle, two angle will be, there are three angles, in three angles, one, two, three. Two angles will be 90 degree, right angle. Is it possible? Yes, you can write. No problem. The value. One angle is 90 degree, but rest two, any one can be 90 degree. Will it possible? No. Because sum of three angles is 180 degree. If one angle be 90, then rest the sum, that is x plus y is equal to 90 degree. Remember, if in a triangle, one angle be 90, that is right angle triangle, then rest angle, sum of the rest angles will be 90 degree. Remember. And one more thing for right angle triangle, the opposite side, say AB, this is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. The opposite side of right angle in a right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side, of course, but you will get hypotenuse only in right angle triangle, not in any other triangle. Understood? Hypotenuse you will get in only in right angle triangle. That is it hypotenuse? No. Is it hypotenuse? No. Only in right angle triangle you will get the hypotenuse. If one angle be right angle, then this side is called hypotenuse. Okay? Hypotenuse. In Bengali it is called Otibhuj. Right? Now, if in a right angle triangle, there is one more criterion of triangle. If two sides are equal, of course it may be. In a right angle, say this triangle ABC, two sides are equal. Here AB is equal to BC. If two sides are equal and one angle is right angle, then what will be the name? This is called isosceles right angle triangle. Understood? This triangle will be called isosceles. Isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, this is a special category of triangle. Now, of course, you will remember this is very important properties for triangle. In future, you will get this property. What is this? You'll remember. Of course, you'll remember. For say right angle A, B, C. This angle is a right angle. Already we learned Pythagoras theorem, isn't it? What is the Pythagoras theorem? AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. AC is the hypotenuse, right? When this theorem, this formula is applicable in a triangle, then the triangle will be a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Okay. But if AB square plus BC square is less than AC square, then the triangle will be obtuse angle triangle. If AC square is greater, then the triangle will be obtuse angle. That is, B will be obtuse angle. If AB square plus BC square is greater AC square, then the triangle will be acute angle triangle. Understood? The triangle will be acute angle triangle. Remember, these three relations, very important relation. Hypotenuse triangle can only be in right angle triangle, not left. Yes, hypotenuse only in right angle triangle. Yes, Srikumar. If it's equal a square plus b square ac square, that means yes, it is the property for right angle. This is Pythagoras. But you will remember these two relations also, inequality relations. If AC square is greater the sum of the squares of other two sides, then it will be obtuse angle. This angle will be more than 90. If it is lesser, then it will be acute angle. Understood? Acute angle triangle. Remember, very important. Perimeter and area of triangle. What are these actually? Perimeter and area. Consider this triangle. No problem. For any triangle, what is perimeter and what is area? Maybe the perimeter means length of boundary. Perimeter for any plane figure is the length of boundary. Not only for triangle, for quadrilateral, for pentagon, hexagon, whatever be, regular, irregular. For a closed figure, of course, closed figure, the length of the boundary is called perimeter. Okay, so length of the boundary means if you start walking from here, this way, then again this way, again come to initial position, the starting point, then the distance you covered is called the perimeter. So for the triangle, if the length of the side say unit, it is B unit and the C unit, what will be the perimeter? A plus B plus C. Understood? This will be the perimeter. And what will be the area for triangle? The area portion enclosed by the curve, closed figure, enclosed by the three line segments. The inner portion is called the what? Area. Is called area. For area, there are two main formulae for triangle. One is half into base into height. If you know the base and if you know the height of the triangle, then by using this formula you can find the area of the triangle. Two and two L plus B. Yes, Sri Kumar. No. And the area of the triangle is half into base into height. Half means numerical value product. Base means this length and height means this length. Okay. If you consider this base, this will be the height. If you know, if you do not know the base and height, it is not clear to you, then there is another formula for area. I will explain in mensuration part. Root over of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What is s is equal to semi-perimeter. S is equal to half into a plus b plus a semi-perimeter. S is called semi-perimeter. By using this formula, you can find also the area of the triangle. The special name of this formula is called Hero's formula or Heron's formula. Okay, Heron's formula. If you do not know the height or base of a triangle, then by using the Heron's formula provided, of course you will know, you should must know the length of three sides. Okay. So these are the area and perimeter. Some important definitions regarding triangles. Very important definitions. What are these? First of all, median and centroid. Very important one. Median and centroid. There are four important things. One is median and centroid, altitude and orthocenter, in center of triangle, circumcenter of triangle. Okay, these four things one by one I am explaining here, and I will try to show these four things. I will explain step by step, and I will try to show this thing. What are these actually? What is circumcenter, in center, circumcircle, orthocenter, centroid? What are these? Through a small animation like previous. Okay, what I have shown you like previous, that I shown two theorems. Okay, by that way I will try to show you through animation to explain. Then it will be easier to you to understand. Clear? So one by one, start. First, median and centroid. Yes, sir. If both the height and base are missing, yes, no problem. Then of course you will know, Sri Kumar. If height and base, if you do not know the height and base, say scalene triangle. Say scalene triangle. Okay. So the length of this side, say A unit, length of this side, say B unit, and length of this side, say C unit. You do not know which one is base, which one is height. You do not know. You are not confirmed. Okay. So by using this formula, this is called Heron's formula. That is S. S will be what? Half of A plus B plus C. That is half of the perimeter. There is semi-perimeter, and the formal area. Area will be what? S into root over of S into S minus A. I am writing again. S minus B, S minus C square unit. This one. Okay. Mr. Tuhin, yes, good evening. Right. Today's class, I'll take some more time for, because it is the preliminary basic for triangle. Okay. So I want to explain in details. I want to go in details. So remain, follow the class carefully. Median and centroid. What are called median and centroid? First read. First you read the theoretical part. I think you read. Okay. For any triangle. Any triangle. Any triangle means scalene triangle. Any triangle means scalene triangle. Remember. That is, the length of three sides are not equal. So A, B, C. A, B, C is a triangle. Okay. What are called medians? Median means you will consider the midpoints of each side. Midpoints. Midpoints. That is, the side is E. E is the midpoint of BC. That means this side equal to this side. That is, BE is equal to EC. Understood? F. F is the midpoint of SE. That means this side equal to this side. Understood? Say G. This side equal to, this is the midpoint of AB. Understood? Now, join AE. Then AE is the median through the vertex A on the side BC. Understood? FB. FB is the median through the vertex B on the side SA. Clear? GC is a median through the vertex C on the side AB. So how many medians are here? 3 medians. And see, 3 medians are passing through one unique point. Unique point means geometrical, there is one mathematical word. 3 medians are called concurrent. 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 Concurrent means one unique point, one fixed point. So it is H. So here H is called the point of concurrency. There is a unique point. Through this point H, 3 medians are passing. And this fact is true for all triangles, any triangles. Okay. Now, more one important thing. This H, the point H, dividing each median into 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. 2:1 ratio. That means AH is to HE for this median is equal to 2:1. Similarly for GC and FP. Understood? And this point, unique point, is called the centroid. Clear? So now I'm trying to show this thing through an animation. So 4 times I will show, 4 animation I will show for 4 separate important definition. Okay. So 1 minute. I want to show you centroid and median. Is it? Okay. Let me to open the file. Okay. See. Here AB, C is a triangle. AD is median, CF median, BE is a median. They are passing through the point G, isn't it? At G, and G is called centroid. If you change the shape of the triangle, see. Understood? These 3 line segments, that is 3 medians, are passing through the unit point G. It is not changing. Have you seen? It is not changing. I think clear? And this unique point G is called what? Centroid. I think it is clear to everyone. Showing you again. no change of the unique point. This is the beauty. And the length of AG is to GD will be 2:1. It is 2:1. It is 2:, this part is 1, and this is 2:, this part is 1. 2:1 ratio. And that is the centroid dividing each line segment, each median into 2:1 ratio. Okay. Understood? What is next? Oh, it is the details 2:1 ratio. See. Now, what is the next one? Altitudes and orthocenter. What is altitudes and orthocenter? Altitude means what? Perpendicular. I am going very slow because you have to listen carefully, to understand carefully. Okay. This is the triangle. Any triangle A, B, C. Okay. Altitudes means from the opposite vertex you will draw perpendicular to the opposite side. Okay. This also perpendicular. This also perpendicular. Okay. And this point is also one unique point. Okay. This also one unique point. And this unique point of 3 altitudes of any triangle is called orthocenter. It's called orthocenter. Understood? This point is called orthocenter. Orthocenter. For any triangle, this fact is true. When you will draw 3 perpendiculars from 3 vertices, 3 vertices upon 3 sides, then the point of concurrence is called the orthocenter. Right? So again, I want to show you this orthocenter through an animation. Okay. If you see through an animation, then it will be easier to understand. Okay. Just few seconds. Wait. Just few seconds. Let me open. See. See here the triangle ABC. I think clear to everyone. See, this line is perpendicular upon the side BC, sorry, AB through A. Understood? And this line is a perpendicular through the vertex B upon the side AC. Similarly, this one also AF. And see, these 3 perpendiculars are passing through the unique point D here. This is the point D. Understood? If I change the shape of the triangle, the unique point D is not changing. Understood? Maybe it outside, no problem. Outside the area of the triangle, maybe exterior, maybe interior point. but the unique point will remain unchanged. And this unique point is called orthocenter. I think clear to everyone? Okay. Now come to the next topic. The orthocenter in center. This is also one very important point term definition in center. See what is in center? Just to read. Just to read. In center means uh, angle bisectors. In center means angle bisectors. Is A, B, C, right? Angle bisectors. These angle bisectors. These angle bisectors. It is A, D, E, F. Okay. CE is the angle bisector. That is, these two angles are equal. AD is the angle bisector of the angle A. That is, these two angles are equal. PF is the angle bisector of the angle B. That means these two angles are equal. Now, these three angle bisectors are passing through this unique point. Okay, and this point is called in center. Okay, this is called in center. So it is the point G, in center. And the very beautiful thing, centering this point, you can draw a circle. And the name of the circle is called in circle. Name of this circle will be in circle. And I am showing again through animation. See, it will be more interesting to you. Okay. See, just a few seconds. See, okay, the triangle ABC, where this line is the angle bisector of this angle A, this line is the angle bisector of the angle B, and this line is the angle bisector of the angle C. Okay, now I am changing the shape of the angle C. The angle bisectors are not changing, and the point D, that is the unique point, also not changing. They are all remaining same. Okay, and this unique point D is called in center. Okay, centering this point, one circle can be drawn. See, I'm drawing here. Have you seen? This circle is called the in circle, whose center is D. And if you draw perpendicular, I'm showing also. If you draw perpendicular to this, okay, this FD is the radius of the, and DE also radius of the circle, and DG is the radius of the circle, in circle. Okay, now clear? Okay, this is in center, in circle. Okay, I think clear. Okay. Come to the next one. What's the next one? Circumcenter of circle and circumcircle. Circumcenter and circumcircle. This also more interesting. Sorry. First draw a triangle. ABC. Okay. Now the perpendicular bisector of each side. Perpendicular bisector. Okay. Perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Okay. Say it is the point G, E, F, D. The perpendicular bisectors of three sides. Bisector means this side equal to this side, this side equal to this side, and this side equal to this side. Understood? Passing through what unique point also? Point of concurrency. Concurrent point. Here is G, and this unique point G is called the circumcenter. Why circumcenter? Centering this point, you can draw a circle. Draw, and this circle will be circumcircle. I am showing you again through animation. Okay, let's come. Few seconds. Give me a few seconds. See, this is the triangle A, B, C. These lines all are perpendicular bisector. That means AE is equal to EC. Okay, this name is C. Sorry, I am opening. This is some mistake. Yes. In escape. Okay. This is the ABC triangle, and this circle is the circumcircle. G is the center, right? And G is called circumcenter. Circle is circumcircle. And these are the three perpendicular bisectors of three sides. Now I am changing the shape of the triangle. See. Now one thing. See, if the side AC be the diameter of the circle, then what will be the value of the angle B? Can you tell me, ABC? The angle ABC creating on the diameter of the circle, therefore the value of this angle will be 90 degree. Understood? Here also the value will be 90 degree. See, the unique point, that is G, not changing. Right? I think clear to everyone? Circumcircle and circumcenter. Okay. Let us come again. Now everyone clear, I think? Huh? Okay. If any doubt, If any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Now, what's the next topic? What's the next one? Some problems. Okay. Some problems. Let us start one by one, depending upon all these theorems that we learn now. We'll try to solve some problems one by one. Okay, problem number one. What is it? In triangle ABC, if 2 of angle A, twice of angle A equals to angle B equals to 4 by 3 of angle C. Find the angles of triangle. Oh, find the angles of triangle. That is, this condition of given for a triangle ABC, draw a triangle. Say it is A, B and C, right? Now the relation in between the value, relation means of the values of the three angles they given by this. Okay. How will you find the values? What is the value of angle A, angle B and angle C? Let twice of angle A, this is given, angle B and 4 by the angle C equal to say a constant K. Okay, this is a trick to find the values constant K. Therefore, what is the value? Therefore, twice of angle A is equal to K, angle B is equal to K, 4 by 3 of angle C is equal to K. All are equal to K. Understood? Therefore, angle A is equal to what? K by 2. Understood? Angle B is equal to what? Angle K directly. Angle C is equal to what? 3 by 4 into K. Is it? Okay. Now, you got the values of the three angles in terms of K. Again, for any triangle, sum of three angles is equal to what? That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. Put the values. What is angle A? K by 2. K plus 3 by 4. K is equal to 180. Now simplify and find the value of K. Take common K. Half plus 1 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 180. This implies K into, what is the LCM? 4. It's 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 180. This implies K is equal to what? Sorry, K into 9 by 4 is equal to 180. Is it? Therefore, K is equal to what? 180 into 4 by 9. 20, that is 80. The value of K, you got what? 80. K is equal to 80. Understood? K is equal to 80. So put the value of K here. That is 80 by 2. That means what? 40. Angle A is equal to 40. You got. Understood? What is B? Direct 80. What is C? That is 3 by 4 into 80. That is 60. Okay. 60, 80, 40. 60 plus 40 plus 80 is equal to 180. So these are the values of three angles. This we will do. Okay, what is the next one? Let's read. In triangle ABC, the bisectors of B and C intersect each other at the point O. Oh, first you draw. Then you have to prove BOC is equal to 90 plus half of angle A. Okay. First to draw. Okay, what are given? The picture. First to draw the picture. A, B, C. Okay. OB is the bisector of angle B and OC is the bisector of angle C. Right. You have to prove BOC. Say it is X. Angle A. The value of angle A is say Y. That is, you have to find the relation between X and Y. Okay. X and Y. Oh, before that, let us see what are the more problems we have for today. Problem number 3, 4. Oh, there are 2 more problems. Okay, do one thing. Up to problem number 2 we will do today, and from problem number 3 we will continue again in second session. Okay. So let us complete this one today. Now these are the 2 angle bisectors. That means these 2 angles are equal in length, isn't it? Equal in length. Sorry, not in value, angle value, not in length. Sorry. So if this angle value say a degree, so this also will be a degree. If it is b degree, this also will be b degree, right? Now in triangle ABC, what you can write? Sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degree, right? That is y plus 2a plus 2b is equal to 180. Understood? This implies 2a plus 2b is equal to 180 minus y. Understood? A plus b is equal to 90 minus y by 2. Give it number 1. You got one relation. A, B, in between A, B and Y. Okay. Now our aim is to find the relations between X and Y. Right. Again from triangle OBC. What you can write? Sum of 3 angles is equal to 180. That is X plus A plus B is equal to 180. Understood? What is A plus B? Is equal to 180 minus X. Understood? Give it number 2. Another relation you got. See, A plus B is equal to this. Here A plus B also this. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. What we can write? Sorry. 90 minus y by 2 is equal to 180 minus x. Is it? A plus B is equal to this. A plus B is equal to this. Both are equal. Clear? That is 90 minus y by 2 is equal to 180 minus x. Now we simplify. That is minus y by 2 is equal to 90 minus x. Understood? Change the side. Bring x here and send y by 2 in right side. What you got? Is it? Was it to prove? I think it was. What to prove? BOC. BOC means x 90 plus a by 2. Oh yes, correct. See, a means y. That is Therefore, x means what? X angle means BOC. Angle BOC equal to 90 plus half of y angle means angle A. Proved. Understood? In your book, in some book you will get this problem. They have done a different method by writing the angles A, B is like this. Okay, I think it will disturb you. Follow this trick. Just put the values x, y, z, whatever be, and go simply and follow these steps. There is sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree. Then you will get the answer directly. No, don't take any tension. No tension will come. Just simplification. Okay, and for this same method we will follow for the next this one and for this one also. Okay, so in next session, that is in session 2. In session 2, we'll start from here. Okay, and some more important problems. Step by step, we'll try to do. Okay, don't I want to say, don't think that is the geometry part is so hard. It is boring. No, geometry is the base of mathematics. Without geometry, mathematics will get nothing. Will not get interest on mathematics if you do not know the geometry. Geometry is the main platform, the base of mathematics. Okay, so thank you for today. Good night.